Let's get these streams going.
Get going.
Well, good morning, Legacy Wealth Society. Good morning, YouTube. We're back Tuesday, December 30th. We're going to make some money today. That's the plan, and I'm sticking to it today. Hopefully, you guys had a great night. Good morning, David Nelson. Good morning, Steve. Good morning, world. Your boy's ready to make some more money today. Base hits, people. Base hits. Get the payouts. And that's what I'm sticking to today. How was everyone's Monday on the stream? Everyone was good?
It was nice, but you didn't make your $1 million. That was the only thing.
Well, I'm still working on that. Good morning, Izzy. There we go. Just so everyone understands, we're currently right below the VWAP, above the 21 EMA. Closed from yesterday, 74450. 74450. That's the close from yesterday. Today we do have FOMC. That's later this afternoon. So who knows what's going to happen? Dylan, good morning, sir.
Hey, was that 2:00? Was that?
I believe so. Yeah, for the news conference. Let's see what we got here. Let me make sure all the audio levels are sounding crispy. Let me pull it up on the tube myself just to double check it. I don't know why I keep having this echo.
What do you mean?
I got a couple minutes to try figuring this out. Let me go to my chat GBT. Person detected at front door.
Good, fellas.
Good morning, G.
Going out.
Hopefully, we're all ready to make some money today.
That's fucking Johnny 2G, man. He makes 2G every time he pops. Man, G's been hitting the main fucking cues, man. Respect to you, G.
That he has.
I want to hear
crushing
a little
it
bit from him, in his, like where because he's hitting these like big poles, man. It's just like as soon as
I'm kind of breaking the rules a little bit. I'm really not supposed to trade till after 9:45.
Shit,
But
I'll break the living shit out of the rules for $2 grand.
If I see momentum, I'm breaking the rules. I'm sorry.
Well, that's fine because I sometimes do that too.
Yeah, last year. All of a sudden I hear like a maniacal laugh. He's like 1,400. I'm like, whoa.
Yeah. And listen, I could have made more because if I didn't get out, it shot up even more. I was like, well, but I'm not greedy because I just needed a certain amount to get to my funded. So I got it. So,
all right.
I got like 5 minutes before this market open. I'm pulling into the Brazil.
Good morning, everybody.
Morning, LJ.
Let's see. Let me see. Let me see how the market's doing. Well,
let's see.
It's in between. It's under the middle of my box 50. box.
Oh yeah, I've got the box pulled up.
Oh yeah, it's under the middle though. Under the middle of that box.
Yeah, I've been watching that.
Oh yeah, me too. Me too. Me too. Me too. Too. Oh man.
All right. Trying to figure this out, but
So Dwayne, like yesterday, I had that prime rib, so I had a little bit for breakfast just because I could. Then at lunch, then at lunch, I made a little bit for myself, and I didn't think nothing of it. Then my wife comes home and she's like, "Want to have it for dinner?"
Let me get my lines all set up here so I can mark up the charts. We're trying to execute clean today.
All right.
Want to make $1 a day, or a few, or 1,000. No one's gonna be picky. What was that?
I said same here. Same here.
I literally only need to make like $700 per account for my payout on Friday. So going to take it slow. Going to be chill about it.
I know. I feel like you got a hold of some chronic.
Tonight, I'm definitely getting in bed early at night. For the past 2 nights, I've been like staying up way too late. Gotta love it.
Tomorrow night, New Year's Eve, I'm gonna keep driving.
Well, tomorrow night that's different because I'm not trading New Year's Day since the banks are closed.
Yeah, I was just gonna be having a hell of a bonfire. I'm sure I haven't figured it out yet.
Oh, great news, people. We officially crossed over 100,000 views on the channel for 28 days. Crazy. Straight craziness.
Awesome.
Like, that's so wild. It's crazy to think that 100,000, can't say people because it's views. So more people were probably watching, but it's one of those things where the fact that it crossed over 100,000 views and we just started really, really taking this super serious last month for the streaming stuff with the 2 formats and everything like that. Straight craziness.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to get it. We're going to get it.
We're gonna get it.
All right, we got 2 more minutes for market open here. 2 more minutes. Well, actually 1 more minute now, but who's counting? Who's counting? Breaking through that bear flag right there on the 5 minute. Not enough follow through yet. Granted, I'm not taking it. I gotta wait the first 15 minutes. So we're gonna wait. We're gonna be patient.
Well, look at that wick on the bottom of that 1 minute candle. It just shot right back up.
Yep. That's on the same on the 2 and the 5 as well.
Look, I'm speaking for a second.
But on the 15 minute, look at that bear flag on the 15 minute chart. Market's open, and look at that push right at market open there. Right through the VWAP, like it wasn't even there.
Well, it came back to see it, though. You know,
It did. It came back to double check.
This is called a retracement in the Book of Moose.
In the Book of Moose. Good morning, everybody. Hopefully you're having a great Tuesday so far. We're here to make some money today.
Did anybody blow their account in the first 40 seconds of the market?
I hope not. Jesus. I hope no one blew an account in the first 40 seconds. I remember those days.
That'd be pretty bad.
I remember those days when I would go full port back in the day in an eval. Right at market open. It's either we're winning or we're losing. No in between, no break even.
No need to fight another day. What's another day?
I need my girl to wake up because her sister and mom are trying to come down today. So we'll see how that plays out.
Oh, so you need to like have her like in the loop.
Oh, my girl's in the loop. She told me, but it's one of those things where we just got back.
Oh, everybody loves Duane. It's like a sitcom. Like, let's go to Duane's house. Duane's like, I'm leaving 1,000 miles away. Let's go to his house anyway.
Something like that. Something like that. Good morning, Carmona.
Morning. I'm on the way back home, trying to jump on these meetings and markets.
Okay. Stay safe in the markets, brother. Lots of selling pressure right now. Lots of selling pressure. Who's going to win this battle? That's the $1 million question.
We are.
We're going to win the battle after 9:45 for me. If you guys make tons of money, definitely let me know because I'm currently sitting on the sidelines. So 9:45 for all the new people jumping in here. Gotta wait for that first 15 minutes to be completed for that range.
You could do a 5-minute orb if you're feeling antsy.
A 5-minute order? No, I'm good.
No, people do that all the time.
That they do, but luckily I'm holding true to the strategy. Because if it ain't broke, don't fix it.
Or we could trade RIMC like BP was talking about. Are you dancing? My God. Oh, and
I am dancing a little bit. I got the head bob. That's it right now.
Cameron had a video like on his story and it went away, but it had you guys dancing.
Oh, that would have been my sister's wedding.
That was like enough for the year. So next time I need to see it. Like, are you gonna go dancing? Forget it. I got it out of my system.
I got it out of my...
Market's moving a little bit more wild than yesterday.
Well, that's good. I like wild. I'm a Florida man. You know what I'm saying? Like I like some wild now.
Moose is wild. That's the wild one.
It's a little too much for me right now to jump in.
Oh,
well, that's why you gotta wait for the first 15, sir.
Huh? He's talking so much smack. He's gonna wait 5 minutes to jump in. He's gonna be jumping in like $700.
If I see my little retracement set up, yeah.
Yeah, I see the R word. There it is, baby. It's that.
ES is dropping. Dylan just said ES is dropping.
Look, the 15 right now. It's gonna come. The 15 is gonna be under the EMA in a minute.
Good morning, Brett. Morning.
It is under that 15. Oh my God.
Let's see what we get here. Come on, 10 more minutes. Just trying to get to this 9:45 so I can execute some trades. No worries, Brett. Appreciate you checking in. All right, what we got going on here? Are we getting ready to build a bear flag? Let me get my mouse on this computer over here.
Oh no, he's turning on the mouse. That means he's getting ready.
I've always been ready. I want to see this candle push up. Need the bulls to push up. Build us out a little bear flag. That's just me. Need to make $1 or $2 or 1,000. It was funny. Last night on the Traders Hangout, I was talking about my morning routine. And today I was cracking myself up when I woke up because I woke up at like 8:40. I'm like, man, I don't want to get out of bed right now. So I didn't get out of bed till like 9 o'clock on the dot.
Damn, no wonder you're so crusty.
That's craziness. Hopefully I'm not looking that crusty.
Hey,
Jesus. Shots fired. Be your own people. Be your own people.
The thing is like, Moose did you right for that. Because, like, if I just rolled out of bed and then, like, I didn't brush my hair, I'd look like a monster. So, you're always looking sharp.
Perks of being bald. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to worry about bed hair. So right now the market is somewhat doing what I wanted to do. I want to build out this flag. I just want
to have some fun. And make a lot of money.
Malachi, it's a life hack, dude. It's a life hack.
Okay, so like yesterday, a package arrived at my house, and it was like CDs and a album like together. I'm like, I didn't buy nothing, and it's just addressed to me. There's no invoice, and there's 3 Taylor Swift fucking CDs. Like, who would give that to me? Like, what kind of slapback crap is that?
You're welcome, sucker. I didn't send it. I didn't send it.
And then the record is Donny Osmond. Like, I'm like, what? How? What? And it was all bundled together. Like, what am I supposed to do with these things? I know what I'm giving Duane this Christmas. Oh my goodness.
Dylan, I feel like if we break through like this area of resistance right here, we may keep on going down, to be real.
Keep on up.
There's that bear flag. Let's get the follow through. There's the follow through. Let's see if the Bears have enough momentum to take it lower here. There we go. I was hoping it would wait for me. But you know what? The market doesn't listen all the time.
It likes to listen to you.
FAS or phase. This is futures trading the Nasdaq currently. But the strategy that I use works on anything. Doesn't matter if it's Forex, futures, stocks, it simply works. There's tapping that low right there. Welcome to the stream as well. Come on, Market. 5 more minutes. I need you to wait 5 more minutes, Market, so I can get in here. Because we know this crazy little thing, right? When we get a flag and the market's trying to move a certain way, it always repeats itself. So right now, I want to see us build out another bear flag. And take like 5 minutes so I can jump in with y'all.
Jump in with you. Oh.
Malachi, how is it over down under? Hopefully it's good over there for you. Let's go, market. What time is it over there? I know you're ahead in time. What time is it your time? Jesus. And you got fire. Yo, that would irritate me. Like whenever like 4th of July and my neighbors are shooting off fireworks late, I'm like, people want to go to sleep. You know what I'm saying? Like, please.
Man, you shouldn't come into my neighborhood. It sounds like Vietnam. My favorite, actually, now that you mention it, is like new people will move into the neighborhood, and there's like a community board. There's no HOA, and they'll post. They'll be like, "Well, I got a dog. I got a puppy," and it doesn't like, and it's like people are just like, "Yeah, the dog's gonna learn something because it's like it smells like cordite going down the road."
Jesus.
I mean, people put up full mortars over here.
Yeah, they put them up over here as well, but
I mean,
I just hate the late like 2 a.m. fireworks because like, bro, you could have been doing this like all evening, but 2 a.m. like, come on, let's do better. Let's do better.
The best thing in the world is when the whiner comes in and they put that in the group. Like
Oh my God! Look at that drop. Ugh.
I need to hold. I got 2 more minutes for this 15-minute range. I need this price to hold, people. I want to take this move because that's another bear flag on the 2-minute chart. Your boy wants to get in. I need the bulls to hold this price. Bulls, come on, baby Jesus bulls. Hold the price up before we start waterfalling. Come on, Betsy. Keep that price up. Come on, bulls. Hold that price for daddy. Y'all can do it. Oh, Nelly. Oh, Nelly. All right, yeah, that's a good bull. Yep.
Funky, you're scaring me now.
No, like we're getting so close to my being greenlit to trade. Yeah, I just want to be able to get in. This is triangle trading? Absolutely not, sir. This is not triangle trading. If you're referring to the Renko bars, I use those to spot the momentum. Yeah, I use it as confirmation for my flags. So when you see small triangles like this, like this isn't a really good example, but when it's just like up and down, like real tight, that's called a consolidation on the Renko bar. So it helps you not get in.
Sorry.
That yawn is like the Moose is consolidating himself.
No, listen, I'm so mad. I went to jump in at and I had like a 200.
All right, so officially I am technically cleared to trade.
And Moose is talking, Jackson.
Jackson.
So you're ready to jump in, and it
I
sat
jumped
on
in.
it.
I jumped in. I was on like a 215, two whatever. Ended up getting $68.
Hey, green is green. Green is green.
That's the pain in the butt because I know it's gonna drop now.
From your lips to God's ears, your boy's ready.
Right when you said I'm clear to trade for yourself, I was like, all right, I'm jumping in. That's where I'm going. Hopefully it's a bear. Let's go.
I'm not in a trade. Yeah, I'm just cleared to trade.
I jumped in. Let's see.
Oh, no. You had to wait for the momentum, Jose.
Boy,
Jesus.
You got balls. Oh, well, I mean, the momentum's looking kind of good.
We do have selling pressure. We do have selling pressure right now. Nine, if you want to learn a simple strategy, join the community completely free. That's where my strategy is in there that you could use to make money each and every day. Up to you. There we go. Breaking out the 15-minute range right there, but pulled right back in. That was the fake out. Let's see if we get the follow through now.
Oh.
Guess not. I said that was the fake out. I did say that was the fake out.
Boy, that was just like
I pulled out when I was green.
Well, glad you did.
That would have like wiped that. That just like demolished some people right there.
Listen, when we're close to the low and the high of the 15-minute range, that first push out is normally always the fake out.
That was like a breakdancing move right there. That was like explosive.
Yeah, it's only 10% of the time where it just keeps running. You know what I'm saying?
It's nasty right now. The father can do a long way, top to the bottom. Major decision right there. Left, right, bottom, left, right.
What's the most you made in one session? That would have been like $7,000, $8 grand in a day.
But I think you got to tell people it's like, you know, instead of reading horsepower numbers on new cars, this is like a way of life. You're not just like some douchebag that's gonna stand next to like a Ferrari and say, this is like a way of life, man.
Yep. For me, gentlemen, like I actually do this, right? I'm trying to show regular people and seasoned people in the markets how to trade and make money each and every day safely, as safe as possible. You know what I'm saying? So for me, I preach base hits and just lock in your profit, because yes, we can hit home runs, but if you only focus on the base hits, when those home runs happen, like it's just extra gravy. You know what I'm saying? Like base hits get the payouts when trading with prop firms. And even funded account, your own personal funded account. It's not about swinging for the fence every day. It's about doing something you can do each and every day, consistently. And this is crazy. We're at the high of the 15-minute range now.
No, that's crazy.
That was a massive reversal. That is a big pull.
I was.
We're breaking now up here as well. We got the close from yesterday, 744.50 to 744.50. Go ahead, Dylan, make that some money. Are we going to build a bull flag up here? I know before I was cleared to trade, I was telling the bulls, like, hold that price up. I didn't tell them to take it that high.
Hey, we don't care as long as it's running.
Yep. As long as we got momentum, that's it. Wow, look at that. Straight through the close from yesterday.
If we keep running, where are we going?
Right now, first target I got is up at 761. 761.
I'd like to see a flag. I'm quoting Duane on that.
I definitely want to see a flag, if possible. If not, I may just have to take a scalp with the momentum here. It is 9:51. 9:51. 9 minutes till 10 o'clock here. Okay. Yeah, I was using one of my targets. It gives me all the targets automatically. So 761 is the one I got. 755, that was the overnight high. Still no flag yet. Your boy will want to see a flag.
Somebody got a Casio keyboard for Christmas.
We're currently above the 15-minute range. The Bulls want to take this, but I feel like the Bears are going to probably retest the high of this 15-minute range here. Hopefully build us out a flag to take us higher.
Let's go all the way today. Let this roll, make our money, and have fun.
That's what it's all about. Malachi, it's not about a red flag. It's about any flag, dude. It don't matter, green or red. As long as we get the flag, we can take it. All right, we're inching closer and closer to the high of that 15-minute range. All right, back in the 15-minute range now. We do have selling pressure.
You could say that again.
We do have selling pressure. Yep, I'm good with either, bro. Because we get paid regardless. It could be a bull flag or a bear flag. As long as we got the flag and momentum, it's money.
The money. So, what is the best Christmas movie that you think of in the season?
The best Christmas movie. I gotta do the throwback, like Home Alone, the first one. As a kid, that was like cool. All right, we got some buying pressure. Let's break through this line. And I'm probably going to take me a nice little long here. All right, breaking through the yellow line. Don't like that hesitation right there. I closed out. Secured 110 real quick. I do not like the hesitation getting these top wicks on these Renko bars. They're trying to break the momentum. And then it shoots. Ah! Ah!
It's like one Mississippi, two Mississippi.
Ah!
Right through that pivot point.
Right through the pivot.
I knew it. I knew it was gonna do that.
That sucks. That sucks. I saw the break on the Renkos. I'm like, let me just close in profit, lock it in, just so I get something, and then it shoots. Well, second target for today will be 78875. 78875. And look at, yeah, it is what it is. Hindsight's always 20. I should just, I didn't like where we stalled. I need speed. Whenever we stall, I'd rather just lock in whatever profit I do got, just in case it tries reversing.
Yeah, well, we're gonna get a flag and you can take it up.
That I can. Let's see. Let me log into my Tradeify real quick. Yeah, not breaking the rules. Listen, I'm the sharpest when I'm just locked in on my rules. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's why I'm not crazy upset or anything like that. And I don't feel like I missed anything because I still made money.
Lock in the profit. Green is green.
Green is green. You know what I'm saying? I don't care if it's $1 or $1,000. Green is green. I would like to see another flag. Just me. Just me. I'm going to rotate to the next account just so that way I'm not like trying to make more in this account
We have
just
a minute
because.
and a half until 10 o'clock.
All right, just rotated to the next account.
You heard me about the 10
Yep.
o'clock coming.
Yep, 10 o'clock's on the way.
We're building a flag. We're going to go to the moon, maybe. Come on.
Hey, I'll take it. Want to see this pivot point hold us up and act as support for the market. That'll give me the nice warm and fuzzies. No, 100% Malachi. Like, the thing for me when it comes to trading, when I just stick to my rules, everything like that, I'm good. You know what I'm saying? Like, I rather consistently make money than make a big hit and then the next day make nothing. You know what I'm saying? I rather consistently make close to $1,000 a day, and that literally will keep the bills away. My next target I got is, let's see, 788.75. That's the second target.
10 seconds.
10 seconds for 10 o'clock. Be careful. Well, the rules are there that we set up for ourselves, right? We set them up for ourselves to make sure we actually make money. Like, that's the only reason why we have rules. So when you break them and then you ask yourself, man, why am I not making money? It's because you're not having discipline to follow the rules that you set up for yourself. We're below that pivot point, so I'm not too thrilled about that. Pretty much. It's crazy for me, right? in November, around my birthday, I noticed that I wasn't making as much. I'm like, yo, what is going on? Because mind you, before that I was hitting every single day. But around my birthday, I'm like, what changed? Because I'm not as profitable in the market. And I was breaking one of my rules. Because one of my biggest rules for me is waiting the first 15 minutes. And I wasn't waiting. I wasn't trading funded accounts. I was trading evals. But I would make money in evals, blow money in evals, and then switch over to the funded account and then get chopped up or stopped out early. And I told myself, I'm like, once I realized what I was doing wrong, I corrected it. And December was a great month. Like, only if it's so easy to follow our rules each and every day. Because I get it. FOMO's real. FOMO's real. Reason why I switched off that last account, granted, I put money in it. I switched off because I didn't want to feel like I FOMO'd into a trade on it because I got out early. All right, I would be targeting the high of the 15-minute range since we're pulling back here. Makes me feel a little bit better that we pulled back. We didn't just keep going.
Well, I would have felt just equally good as long as I'm making cash money sucking.
No, that's smart, Malachi. Are we getting ready to roll over here? Let's see if we roll over. And I was getting ready to say roll over and sit because I said roll over like a dog, but no.
I think everybody's sitting at their desk. I would hope so. Stay.
Stay. Yeah, we're getting ready to roll. Looking at the 1 minute here. That's prime for a roll right there on the 1.
He's running without a doodles. That means he's feeling a little bit loose today.
I'm always feeling loose. I'm just waiting for some solid momentum here. I'll be targeting the high of the 15-minute range.
Can you tell me what is the high of your 15-minute, if you don't mind me asking?
The high of the 15-minute range is sitting at 733.50. 733.50.
Beautiful.
Right now, market's not doing anything. Very slow. Expect a move. Expect a move.
We're expecting it. We just
The low of the 15-minute orbit is 682.
Let me scroll down and look. Bear with me.
Oh my goodness.
678.25. 678.25, the low of the 15.
Hold on, let me go to the 15.
For all the people in here today on the tube, welcome to the New York trading session. Your go-to place to earn and vibe with great people. I got brothers and sisters around the globe on the stream right now. Shout out to Malachi, my Australian brother, tuning in. It's an early morning for him. My other brother was in here. He jumped out. He's up in Canada. We got people from everywhere. So hopefully you guys are staying safe in the markets and currently making money with us. We're back in the 15. We came down. We almost tapped the 21 EMA. Well, no, we did tap the 21 EMA right there. Well, Malachi, I appreciate you jumping in there last night. What did you cook? Because since you're in the Traders Hangout, you know we talk about food a lot in the Traders Hangout. Tonight, for everyone that's on the tube, we got the Traders Hangout, your go-to place to vibe with like-minded individuals, talk about trading and life and everything in between. So make sure you tune in 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. That sounds delicious. Homemade ravioli with beef and cheese stuffing. You're making me hungry, Malachi. We gotta stop talking about food because I'm not eating until after the Traders Hangout tonight. Fun fact: yesterday I tried going to the gym, and I did go in. I did do a quick workout, then sit in the sauna, but it was crazy busy. All the New Year's resolutioners are trying to take over the gym now.
Yeah.
Like, I just gotta wait till the second week of January. It'll be cleared out.
Yeah, true.
Back in the 15 minutes.
All right, we got the VWAP below us.
This is delayed, like another top of the range.
No, that's awesome. Normally, my girl's cooking. I'm just standing or sitting at the kitchen island, and we'll just be talking. You know, I'm not doing the cooking. She's doing the cooking, but I'm sitting there talking to her.
Well, you know me, I like to on mine. I did all the smoking and stuff. I had that big smoker,
Yeah.
and we just chill. So that's like on New Year's. I'm gonna have like a bonfire, have like some meat you're cooking. It'll be chill.
Yeah. I'm gonna be doing the Traders Hangout, a New Year's Eve Traders Hangout. We're gonna pop some bubbly. We're gonna bring the new year in together. I just want to vibe.
Your bubbly is like sparkling water.
Hey, it's still bubbly. Just say it's still bubbly. I want to go short because we just had a baby bear flag print on that 1 minute.
I do see that, and it's kind of looking like it's gonna test that VWAP wap wap.
Well, Malachi, if you can't catch it, I understand since you'll be in the middle of the ocean.
In the middle of the ocean.
Yep. Our Australian brother will be in the middle of the ocean. So
to be on a ship in the middle of the ocean.
Like right in those
we'll see. Oh, yacht party for New Year's. The man's living the dream, people. He's gonna be on a yacht in Australia. Gotta love it.
That's fun.
I want to see us get through this VWAP. There we go. As soon as I said it.
Now, what else do you want us to see? Let me get my finger ready.
Now, let's see if we continue with the momentum to the downside here, because I'll probably take a short down to the middle of the 15-minute range. And I said to the middle because once we're at the middle, I'll have to close because we don't diddle in the middle, people.
Yeah, but if there's velocity, you'll ride that sucker right through that stop.
Oh, 100%.
Like you're on a train through Boise. Somebody's got, I think it's the man G's got the broadcast blaring.
I got him. Let me. All right, he muted.
He puts that thing up next to the speaker sometimes.
Man, Yep. Right when I was feeling like, oh, let me go short.
Look at those wicks.
Exactly.
You need a flag to do that. You're not gonna be irresponsible after all your virtue signaling about waiting.
I am human too. I am not a robot, people.
You are a robot.
I am not a robot. Come on, Betsy. Because what I want to see, honestly, I want to come down to like maybe the 690s and let that be where we bounce to go higher. But we're coming back down to this area that we've been sitting in since yesterday.
I know, it's exciting.
I want to say it's exciting.
Look, you know what? I just want to say something because it's the end of the year. You know, I want to thank you again because being here since the first day, like how much you've given of yourself up for this is amazing.
Well, Steve, I'm glad you feel like it's amazing. I feel like it's my calling, to be real, to help people. There we go, through the middle of the 15-minute range. Let me switch my mouse back over to my trading computer so I can execute. I was looking to see, we're still in the range from like literally yesterday.
Oh, I looked this morning. I was like, oh, insane.
For everyone on the streams, give yourself a pat on the back. The YouTube channel this is our YouTube channel, by the way, because we all come together on this channel. We hit over 100,000 views officially. So give yourself a pat on the back. Appreciate you guys tuning in and watching. All right, we're through the 700s. We're through that whole number, but we know how the market moves that whole numbers. It acts kind of wonky. It goes up, it goes down, and sometimes it chops. So let's clear that 700, probably get down to like 690, and we wait to see if we bounce. If we do not bounce, I'll probably take a short. Or what will really give me the warm and fuzzies, let's get us a little bear flag. Luckily, Malik, we're not in the middle right now, so no ditties. We're not doing any ditties today. We're not diddling in the middle. We're through the middle now. Got that long wick on the 2 minute. That wick. Let's see what we get here. This is a good spot to build a bear flag, I'll say. To take us lower.
560 right there.
Go ahead, boy. Go ahead. ES finally swept the Asia low. That's why we're pushing lower right now. Well, I'll take a short to the low of the orb here, but we need some momentum. Give me the flag.
Look on the 2 minute, you could see something happening.
Yeah, I got the 2 minute pulled up, looking at it. Come on, market. You can do it. I need to make some money today. One thing that has been helping me, because once I realized what I was doing wrong in November, breaking one of my rules, I realized I just need to slow down. Because watching the market, you want to go, 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 go. But when you go, 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 that doesn't always mean you're making money. So I'm slowing down because I was realizing I would jump in on a move a candle early, 2 candlesticks early. You know what I'm saying? So now I'm trying to hold as long as possible before getting in, just to maximize how much I can earn and also limit my risk. Yep. It gotta have time. Gotta take your time with it.
Yeah, remember we're right around the whole number again too.
Yep.
It's back in the middle, so you know what we don't do.
We don't diddle. I'm just doing some extra doodles to keep me from clicking the button into a trade by accident. Accident.
But
Look like the Bears are pushing it down.
Yep. But they need more momentum. I got the line right there. I want to see us break through the line so I can jump in. When is she going to cook your lamb roast, bro? Because it is currently like 1 something in the morning for you, or 2 something in the morning for you. So yes, Malachi's from the future, by the way. He's from the future, people.
I know somebody that I talked to from Australia, and it's some Lady Hawk level shit. It's like morning here and it's night there, or vice versa.
Yeah.
All right.
Come on, Market. We're inside my doodle right now. Want to get out of it.
Tell your doodle to like draw an arrow down so it can make some money.
Let's see. I'll see. I'm gonna get me like a little extra tool for these streams. I'm gonna get me like a magnet that I could put on the screen so I can try pulling the market down myself. All right, we're breaking through my yellow line. I want to see follow through so I can take a short here.
Show me some heaviness on those Renko bars.
Get ready. We just cleared 1 wick. I don't like how slow this is. I need speed. This is also the area I was talking about. We had to see if we're going to bounce back up around the 690 level. Music just ended. I gotta go to a whole nother playlist now. Craziness. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got here. Come on, market. Give us something here. We're just chopping right now. Look at those candles on the 5 minute. Super tight.
We'll see.
On the 1 minute, definitely looking like some type of a flag.
Some kind of something.
Malachi, I just so I can mess around and joke on stream, I want to get like a magnet like icon so I can put it on. I can be like trying to pull the market myself, since the market makers do listen to our stream. Super tight right now. We got some consolidation happening on the Renko bars. They do. I just want to see, because I'm trading on Ninja Trader. So they wouldn't just have. Ooh, we got arrows though. Can I make that bigger? No, that's too small.
I'm doing myself a Fibonacci circle. You know what I'm saying?
Go down. Go down, market. I put a down arrow just so that way the market knows what I needed to do, since the market makers are watching. Through the yellow line once again. Yeah, I know. I can't make it bigger. Trust me, if I could make it bigger, I would. Let me just get that off the screen. I'll get it figured out, people. Trust me. I'm going to get it figured out. Still in the doodle. And we're inching closer and closer to the middle of this 15-minute range. Ay, Dios mío. No, I'm not Spanish, by the way. All right, there we go. Middle of the 15-minute range where we don't diddle.
So what was the session today with like the news was at 2, you were saying?
Yeah, well, the market's in the middle where we're not trading. Let me jump over here and see what the time for everything is today. It's not showing there. Let me pull it. You have 2 p.m. Eastern time. Releases at 2 p.m. today.
Right.
About to take long. Be careful. Be careful. Not doubting your trading abilities. I would just be careful. We're in the middle of the 15-minute range, aka Diddy's house. We ain't trying to go to Diddy's house.
No.
Malachi, I'm gonna start using that, bro. Diddy's house. Well, I'm still gonna fluctuate between the two, actually. Looking at that 5-minute. Got that big old selling wick on it as well, letting us know that there's a lot of selling pressure. But are the Bears going to win? Nothing like trading in a big old 15-minute range for the day. We need the breakouts. Andrew, good morning. Hopefully you're staying safe in the markets today. Where are you tuning in from, Andrew? Man, the market is completely respecting my yellow line today. Gotta love it. I'm actually gonna pull it down just slightly. How's everyone feeling? Are we up? Are we down? Are we all around? Who's green? Who's red? Let me know in the chat. Currently green for the day, but I need more. I need more. Okay, Andrew. Well, if you want to be fast-tracked in your learning, join the Legacy Wealth Society. Completely free. I got my full strategy in there that you can use in the markets. It'll definitely fast-track you to success. Simple strategy. I'm a simple man. Malachi's up 790. Awesome. Millionaire's green as well. Love to see it. Love to see it. I just want to get below my yellow line with momentum here so we can make some money. I don't like the chop fest. What is something you would invest in right now? We're currently trading the Nasdaq, but if you're trying to do a long-term hold, Bitcoin's always a good option. XRP, airlines. There's a number of different things you can invest in. Apple, like Dylan's up 612. Awesome, dude. I love to see you guys win because when you're winning, it means I can win, you know. That's the best part of having a community, right? Even if you're not winning as much, when you see other people winning around you, it's contagious. It makes you win as well. Okay. Next month, your boy's gonna be in Canada. I'm thinking about getting that gold jacket to go to Canada so I could get stopped by immigration. Like, who's this guy? You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna see what happens. We're gonna see what happens. Gonna go visit Brett. Hopefully Johan as well when I'm in Canada next month. Come, it's like the market just like froze. It's not moving.
Everybody's moving. Everybody's grooving. I mean, the market's going to sleep, man. You know that.
It's 10:30. Just sitting here, right below Diddy's house. Mitch, welcome, brother. It is. It is. And food for thought. And what I try not to do, I don't like trading the range, these tight ranges like this. Because what I realized for myself, I don't want to get chopped up.
Well, we're just gonna go over and start trading silver. Let's see what we got.
Trading silver. Hey, we gotta do something. Alrighty, let's see here. We're below the yellow line. barely on the 5 minute there. For everyone on the streams, go ahead, do your boy a favor. Go ahead, hit the like on the stream. We gotta let YouTube algorithm know you guys are enjoying it. So on the streams, go ahead, hit the like button to continue helping the channel grow. Is this going to be our short right here? I'm waiting. It's not, I need it to look heavy. It's not looking heavy yet. Mitch needs a pump to the upside. I need to do anything, Mitch. Like, I'm good. Up or down. Doesn't matter. But we've been building this like bear flag, real tight bear flag right here. This is the Nasdaq. Yes, sir. This is why I trade for the New York session. For the traders hangout, I'll pull up like Bitcoin and gold and other things, but I'm not trading them. But people for the night stream, they like that stuff. Well, hopefully we get the sweep. Past couple minutes, I feel like the past like 25 minutes we've been watching the paint dry.
But we like it.
I don't know. Steve likes it, but I do not like watching paint dry. Because what normally happens, right? It'll slow down. It'll go real slow like this. And then it gets people who are like, okay, I'm getting off the charts. It's not moving. And then as soon as we get off, the market makers know, and then we have a massive ripper or waterfall.
Mm-hmm.
They're not faking me out today.
But they're doing a pretty good job of putting you to sleep, though.
That it does. You gotta stay sharp, boys. Gotta stay sharp. Mitch, since you're a new member of Legacy, what do you think of the community so far? Want to get your feedback because we're trying to make everything better each and every day in the community. This is crazy. The price, we're sitting right at the 690. This is where I was saying either we're going to bounce back up around this area or we got to break through it to get us a waterfall. The paint's drying. The paint is drying here.
Yeah, I'm going back to the NQ charts. Let me see what I've got. Boy, nothing's changed.
Murray Garden, what's up? Welcome. Where are you tuning in from? Do not FOMO into a trade. We are currently chopping right now. We're chopping. No reason to just jump in and jump in, people.
Look, I'm going to jump right in. I'm going to jump right out. What can I say?
Awesome. Awesome. Tuning in from India. Well, welcome. Just so you know, whoever's the first person in here from a different country or state, you become my automatic brother or sister. So you are my first Indian brother. Thank you. I appreciate you tuning in.
Steve from Chennai, mother.
It is chopping. It is chopping. And at this point for me, right, I would probably say we need to get below 683. 683 for me to actually want to go long at this point. I meant go short. Not long. Not long. Go short if we get below 683. Hopefully I can get to the gym early today before all these New Year's resolutions try going. I honestly just need to get a home gym built. But my issue is I want a gym like The Rock has. If I'm getting my own private gym, I need everything.
Rockettes? You want a gym like the Rockettes?
Like The Rock. Like Dwayne The Rock Johnson, sir.
Oh, I thought you said with the Rockettes, you're going to have a bunch of girls kicking their legs in the air.
No, I was probably thinking about building a like hot Pilates studio. You know what I'm saying? Just do Pilates all day long.
Yeah, you're going to want to push some iron, man, Mr. Pilates.
Like, I do want to push some iron, but I'm also, a lot of people have been getting this flu. I'm like, do I really want to be around all these people when everyone's getting sick?
Well, that's why I have my weights and I live at my house.
I have some weights here too, but I need bigger ones at this point. Well, Andrew, that's awesome. What did you think of it? That's our favorite spot too. We went back between October and November 2025 twice. We're going back, me and my girl, we're going back in February as well for a 5 days, 4 nights in February. That's our go-to place. Like, once you go, you're hooked. You know what I'm saying? When was the last time you went? We're just hanging out here because Mark is not doing nothing. Straight craziness. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Okay. What building did they put you in Mexico 1 or Mexico 2 when you went? Okay. That's awesome, bro. Well, you'll definitely enjoy it because it's, bro, there's no place better than the X-Correct. Okay. Yeah, so I've stayed at Mexico 1 and Mexico 2. For me personally, how do I put this? The place is amazing. The place is amazing. But if you have kids, you want to stay at Mexico 2. If you're going with just you and your wife, you want to go Mexico 1 or stay in the Fuego building or Arte. Like, Mexico 2 is literally built for kids. Like, they have tons of stuff for the kids to do, arcades, play areas, the whole 9. Which is really, really nice. But if you're going by you don't want to stay in Mexico 2 if you're not taking kids. Yeah, stay in Mexico 1 or Arte. Or the Fuego. We're going to be staying in the Fuego building when we go back in February. So, in the Fuego building, you get your own personal butler, which is pretty cool. So, yeah. So this year, just so you know, Andrew, into 2026, we're doing a traders meetup at the X-Correct, which is going to be fire. So this coming year, I'll be at the X-Correct probably minimum of 3 times. Max will probably be 4 times. It's my second home. It's my second home at this point. Well, everyone that's jumping in here, welcome to the stream. We're currently watching the market do nothing. Yeah, bro. We're going to have a traders meetup for the Legacy Wealth Society. So make sure you jump in the community. It's completely free. Jump in before January 1st because I can't promise you after January 1st it's going to be free. But if anyone that gets in before January 1st, they are grandfathered in to free for life. Y'all's welcome. Okay, as the club member, right? I've heard a lot of different stories about the club member because I myself, if I grab my backpack, I had the whole paper to become one as well. So it's one of those things. It's one of those things where are the discounts really that great as the club member? Because I've heard like, oh, don't do it from people. So I'm trying to figure out, should we do it?
Do it.
Let me look at the market, see what we're doing.
Nothing. Keep
Oh, still chopping at 690? Got it. Awesome. Gotta love it. Gotta love it, people. Wow, so right now, between the streams, not including the Zoom, we got 23 people in the room. Appreciate all y'all hanging out with us while the market's doing nothing. Oh, we're just talking about traveling. We're going to have a traders meetup end of 2026. And this year, 2026, just so everyone knows, I'm traveling to a new country or state every single month to meet a Legacy Wealth Society member in person or a YouTube subscriber. So be ready. That's not bad. That's not bad. But with that, Andrew, are there like blackout days when you can't book? Because I already get some crazy deals, right? Because I'm plugged in. I'm plugged in at the X-Correct. So no blackout. Okay. With that though, is there like a don't you pay like a maintenance fee or like almost like an HOA fee type deal or no? I'm asking.
I know, but it's like an HOA. It just sounds funny, man.
Well, it's like timeshares.
Yeah.
You could do like the timeshare thing.
Ashua, that, man. It's like
welcome.
When I worked in travel, there's so many people that got screwed by timeshares. It was ridiculous.
Well, Andrew, get in the community so we could talk further, bro. Because, like I said, I already get a crazy deal with them. Like, I mean, a crazy deal. Like, right now, when I go back in February, I think I'm only paying, like, total $2 grand.
$4.
Hey, if it was $4, I would not be in the U.S. It's a one. Okay. Do you get the good rooms or do they like rotate you? For everyone that's tuning in, sorry, we got the charts pulled up, but there's nothing to do yet. So I'm learning more about my favorite hotel that I stay at because I got someone in the chat that goes to the same place, which is awesome. He has really good taste. My brother Andrew has really good taste, I gotta say. Yep, 2020 into 2026. We're trying to have like 100 members go out there to the X-Correct, and we just trade, we laugh, we vibe, we drink, we eat. We're going to do it all.
Do you mean that you're going to get sparkling water catered for everybody?
Hey, it's all inclusive, so everyone gets a bottle.
Sparkling water.
Mitch, I'm actually probably going to buy a couple accounts with Lucid today, actually. That's funny that you said that. Yeah, it's all fun exclusive. Andrew, what's your favorite park? Since you're a member, you know what I'm saying? What's your favorite park? Because in February, I don't think me and my girl are going to be doing any parks since we've already done all of them. We may do like the sailing excursion, one of those, but that'll be about it. Because when we were just there in November, we were walking about 20,000 steps a day.
Man, Duane don't walk, man. Duane don't walk.
Oh no, that's correct. You walking. You are definitely walking. That's all it is. Well, Mitch, you're still fighting, so you're good. Patience, my brother, patience. I will say, Andrew, Mexico 1, they pamper you way more than Mexico 2 because Mexico 2 is so big, right? It's like 1,000 rooms over there. But I will say, when we went, it was freshly opened. So they were working out the kinks and everything. Because I probably called room service like twice. Didn't get an answer. The third ring I got them to pick up. But that's the only thing. Whenever something's brand spanking new, so Mexico 2 side, there's going to be kinks. You just got to roll with it and understand as they figure out how much staff they need for that side, everything like that, it'll become better. But Mexico 1, spot on. Honestly, Mexico 2 didn't give like too much of hotel vibes, to be real. But it's made for like families and kids. You know what I'm saying? So Mexico 1, if you go solo, well, not solo, you and your wife, you know, it's better for Mexico 1 side. Mexico 2 is if you got kids that want to do the slides, everything like that, it's all right there for you. Okay, nice. I think when we go back, we are going to be doing the sailing excursion and we're going to be hitting the, what's the one? I'm going to butcher the name, so I'm not even going to try, but going cliff jumping into the cenotes. I'm not going to try saying the park name for that excursion because I'm going to butcher it. Yeah. Well, it's just going to be me and her, so we're going to do everything that we did not want to do with the kids. All right, we're starting to push up here. We're pushing through the middle of the 15-minute range, aka Diddy's house. So we're going to be careful. Yep, cenotes. There we go. I got to lose like 15 more pounds because for the zip line and all that stuff, you got to be 300 or lower. I'm at like 314 right now. So I got to get down so I can make sure I'm good for rappelling down into the cenotes. You feel me?
You got to make sure that you have a little bit of leeway because you go there and eat a meal and you're like, oh, I'm over. Oh.
Okay. I need to get 25 pounds off.
Yeah, you show up, you eat a big meal. It's like, sorry, sir. Unless you just like go right there from, straight away, you go right from the plane to that cenote place.
We're trying. I think I'm gonna fast the entire month of January, so I could just like lose tons of weight. So I'm prepped for a February here. All right, are we getting ready to build a bull flag? We need to do something. We're starting to push here. Coming up to the VWAP now. I'm glad all you guys have faith in me losing all this weight. I'm a fat boy at heart. That's my issue. All right, so we're starting to push here. We're above the middle of the 15-minute range. No, 100%, 100%. Honestly, I need to slow down on the cheese because I'm doing lots of protein, no carbs. But your boy loves some cheese. I like it cheesy. Am I cheesy for saying I like it cheesy? That's the question. Let's see if we build a bull flag to take us to the high side of this 15-minute range. Trading the Nasdaq. Trading the Nasdaq for everyone that's jumping in here. Welcome to the stream. How do I join the traveling team? It's not a traveling team. It's the Legacy Wealth Society. Few chats up. Nightbot posted the link to join completely free. So definitely jump in there. That's where I have my strategy. And we have traders from every parts of the world in there as well. We got people working on their first payout. We got people making 100K a month in payouts, like, and everything in between. So definitely jump in. It's a great positive vibe. And we do a traders hangout every single night as well on YouTube, where everyone comes together just to talk about our day, talk about the markets, and just to decompress. You know what I'm saying? The reason why I built and I'm growing Legacy Wealth Society is because when I was trying to learn how to trade, I had nobody to talk to. It was very lonely. And this is something where you want to have a team around you to truly help you succeed. And we're still pushing here. No flag, which is crazy. We did a slight pop out right there. I won't cut it out completely. I just need to pull it back just a little bit. Do you trade an IBRK? Not sure what that is, sir. Sorry, I'm not good with trading acronyms. Spell it out for me. Spell it out for me, studio.
54.
All right, we're pushing out of the high of this 15-minute range here. No, I'm trading Nasdaq futures. We're trading futures here. Look at this momentum. Your boy wants to take a quick little long here. Another big pull. You're right. Your boy just wants a flag. Let's see if we get a flag above this 15. Let me move my doodles. All right, we're back into the 15-minute range right there. But I feel like this is going to be building our flag. It is 10:54. 11 o'clock is approaching very quickly here. So be careful. Don't risk anything. We're at the end of the year, people. And today we got FOMC today at 2 o'clock. No, I will not be streaming for FOMC. I don't normally trade it because you're only trying for FOMC, only trade eval because it's too aggressive to trade funded accounts. For all the people in here, make sure you guys are liking the stream for your boy. We gotta let the YouTube algorithm know you guys are enjoying this. We've already hit over 100,000 views for December. And we're just gonna keep on going up, people. And I appreciate all you guys hanging out with me for these morning sessions and the evening sessions. Malik, absolutely. Do not listen to Malachi in the chat. I did not say go full pour for FOMC. I said do the opposite. Don't trade it at all. Just walk away. I think I heard my computer ding. Let me see if someone tried to jump into the community here. If so, I'll get them added. Andrew, don't forget to jump in the community, bro. We got a lot of traveling plans we gotta handle. Would love to meet up with you at the X Correct one of these days. All right, we're getting a bull flag on the 2 minute. Let's drop it down. Let's look at the 1 minute here.
Should I go back and look at it?
If you want.
I mean, it's like I'm having disdain just sitting there looking at crap.
What's up, bud? Morning. All right, we got the bull flag on the 2 minutes starting to go. I want to get through my yellow line to take long here. Oh, Nelly. We're through the line. Watching my Renkos here.
I'm looking.
We're so close to 11 o'clock.
You're starting to feel alive, huh?
Let's see. The price isn't moving the way I want it to move for this long here. I want to take a long. We're above my yellow line slightly. But the way it's stalling right now is making me where I don't want to just click the button yet. There's the close from yesterday, 744.50. Close that 140. We got 11 o'clock approaching. I do not want to be in a trade right at 11. BP, what's up, dude? You snuck in here. I was so focused on the charts. I did not see you slide in here.
Leave it, Mr.
Dre's in here as well. The boys are back in town, people. Welcome. Now my day has been completed. I got BP in the chat. I got Dre in the chat. I got Steve on the Zoom call. My day is officially completed.
BP is my ace.
BP is living the dream, people. You said you were going out to dinner, sir. I already knew. I figured I would see you tomorrow, not today.
Bro, this dinner's had fucking 8-course meal, man.
Andrew, how much should you invest in the Nasdaq? Honestly, if you're trying to learn how to day trade, right? Trade with prop firms. Do not invest your own money. It's a trading hack. Limit your risk by trading with a prop firm. And I should have stayed. That's 2 trades a day where I should have stayed in, but 11 o'clock was coming. I did not want to be in the markets. Which method do I use? Bull flags, bear flags with momentum. That's how I trade. Bull flags, bear flags with momentum. BP, have a good day, brother.
Do it up.
And there we go. Market's pushing back up. It's 11:01 now.
Okay, well, there's that pivot point at 62. Do you see that? Is that what you're thinking?
Honestly, I will. Yes, and we got a target right below that 62 level. 761 is the first target. Can you write it? Bull flags, bear flags, and momentum. If you want to learn my strategy, join the Legacy Wealth Society. Completely free to join. And if you join before January 1st, it is free for life. So when we do charge to join the community, you won't have to pay for it. Just saying, people. Malachi, that's why you my brother. That's why you my Australian brother right there. Malachi just checked me. All right, Malachi, I hear you. Thank you. Thank you for your help. I appreciate you. I appreciate you, for real. Because I wasn't even thinking. I got to rotate to the next account, lock in these profits. The link is being posted by Nightbot, and also it's in the description of the video. Malachi, from your lips to God's ears, brother. I'm trying to get that $4,500 payout on Friday from Tradeify. Looking like we're going to build another bull flag. Let's see if I can add some money to this account as well. 20 accounts, yeah, that'll definitely be juicy. I don't like trading with Apex. Like, I've had so many payouts denied by Apex where I'm like, I don't even want to trade with them anymore. That's why I haven't been. I only trade currently with Tradeify and Take Profit Trader. Getting ready to add Lucid to the Rolodex as well. I don't like feeling like I'm handcuffed. You feel me? Because the way I trade is not anything crazy, but they hit me a couple times with getting denied. Yeah. They denied for me this year. I was going to say last year. Probably about over $12,000 in payouts. Well, now I know how you and your wife get down. Someone just tried joining the community. Let me check it out here. Rahan, I got you right now. I'm adding you to the community. There you go. Welcome, Rahan. Welcome to the Legacy Wealth Society family. That's why we trade. All right, that second bull flag paying. I wasn't even watching. I was looking at the chat.
It just jumped up at once.
Yep. Oh, okay. So
it wasn't a slow crawl. We're gonna see if we can
Dre, do not do instant funded. Do not do instant funded, dude. Do not waste your money. Please do not waste your money. For everyone that's joining the community, right? Make sure you fill out your profile and you put where you actually live, not your actual address, just the city. So that way when other members come in and they're in your city, it tells you who else is in your area so you can connect with them. Just saying.
Do I have to use my real city? No, I'm just kidding. That's a joke for you, Duane.
You can use your real city if you want, or you can use a city next to you. It doesn't matter.
East Poughkeepsie.
But that's why I chose the platform we're on, because I want this to eventually get off of just online where people can have like trader meetups with people in their local area. You know what I'm saying? To really make this thing feel even more alive. Okay, Dre. I'm not a big fan of instant funded accounts. You definitely can. That's a hilarious street name. What's the consistency on that though, Dre? That's where they get traders, because they'll have a super low consistency you have to have in order to be able to get your payout. Normally they drop it down like 20%. And for some traders, 20% is hard to get to. Oh, no consistency? Got it.
Let's get some action.
Yeah, give us something here. I'll probably be getting off around 11:20, 11:30-ish.
11:42.
Just be careful with new firms, because not all of them are built the same. You want a firm that's going to be here tomorrow type deal. Not someone that's leaving tonight.
And people got to realize, man, that nobody gives it up easy, because otherwise they'll be out of business. So everything has those rules in play. Like Apex, man, they'll promise you the moon and give you jack turkey.
They do pay. I have gotten payouts from Apex.
Yeah,
but
I've also gotten payouts from my ex-wife, but that doesn't mean that I'm gonna like want to fill her in the future. Jeez.
Very true. Very true.
Jack turkey.
Sadly, they are. That's why we gotta only go with good companies that have actually been around for a little bit.
I am interested because I know that Tradeify decided to shoot the moon and double the price. So,
well, I was gonna tell Legacy for that Lucid Trading, you pay one time, no activation, no monthly subscription either.
Oh yeah.
And it's only like 70 bucks. So not as cheap as what Tradeify's advanced account was, but there's no subscription on this one.
Yeah, so maybe we'll put that in a blog for all us that are kind of interested, because...
Yeah, I'll put it in the community. I'll put it in the vault with the other prop firm.
No, I like it. And do you still use the LWS?
I'm currently working on getting my affiliate link with them. Actually, I'll reach out, follow back up with them today. Yeah, baby. No, I'm good right now. Thank you. Dylan straight crushing it today. He's making me look like a rookie out here, gentlemen. Straight craziness. But honestly, the market's not moving exactly how I like. I hate slow markets. I hate slow markets. I need speed. I like fast. But base hits, people. Base hits.
Base hits of a what? I mean, it's like... I mean, if you're really sitting there and you got in like at 10.50, great, good on you, but...
Yeah. Listen, when the wrinkle bars are barely moving, that should let you know that it's low volume.
That's your cue to switch to silver, baby. Okay.
That's funny, Dylan. I felt the longest that take profit trade was my kryptonite, because I would get the evals. Mind you, I read the rules completely wrong with the evals, so it's different now for me, because originally I thought you only had 5 days to make the 3K. I never read the part where it says minimum 5 days. So I thought max you only had 5 days. So I'm going full port each and every day in those accounts, trying to get them passed. But yeah, ever since I realized it's minimum 5 days, whoa, this is way easier now. Yeah, market's slow. Market's slow. You'll get the payout, though. You will get the payout. Well, Malachi, I wasn't trying to just YOLO them. I thought we only had literally 5 days to trade to pass the eval for take profit trader. And then my good brother Brett, who's not in the stream right now, he had jump out early off the stream. He's like, bro, it's not 5 days max. It's a 5 day minimum. I'm like, oh, okay. Yep, you could pass the Lucid account 1 day, and then you could get it activated in the same day during your trading session, which is really cool. So for anyone interested in getting a Lucid account, look at their Lucid Flex account. Once you pass the eval, you can pass in 1 day. In 5 to 15 minutes after you passing, you can activate it during your current trading session and trade a funded account. I think that's a hack.
And then the only time you have to do it again is if you tilt the account or you buy a new one, right?
Say that again?
So the only time you need to, you don't have any monthly issues or anything, so you just have to re-up if you tilt the account, right?
Yep.
Okay, that's interesting.
Yep.
That's
Dylan, it varies. It varies, Dylan. Normally I'll take my payout as quick as possible because you never know what's going to happen with the markets. And at the end of the day, to put $100 in and you're taking $1,500 to $3,500 out, that's a good return on investment. So I live by you take the money because it's not yours until it's in your bank account with these prop firms. No reason to leave it in the account. If you blow it, just get a new one. Another investment, but you keep rotating that way. But this time, I'm waiting until January 2nd for tax purposes. So that's what I'm currently doing. I could push and try taking a payout today, but I'm not trying to do that. I'll wait till January 2nd. So it falls under the 2026 calendar year.
Don't forget about your Uncle Sam.
No, that's why I'm waiting until 2026 to take this other payout. Hopefully, come January, the market, the
bear flag.
I heard that voice. Hold up.
Flag or bear flag?
Hold up. I'm not going to say your full name.
Nah. Come on, man. We on YouTube, man. Yo, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe, man.
My brother from another mother's on the Zoom call. He snuck on in here today.
You already know, my brother. How we looking this morning?
We're green for the day. Not a big green, but we're green. That's all that matters.
Nice.
Just patiently waiting, bro. All we can do.
I'm like, yo, what we looking at? Bear flag or bullish flag?
I drew the bull flag, but the volume's so low. This is like the overnight sessions. The market moves too slow right now for me. Your boy likes speed. He likes fast. He likes when the wrinkle bars are ding, ding, ding. It's easier for my eyes to read.
Bro, want to feel like you're in an arcade, huh?
Not in an arcade, but it's easier to see the confirmations.
Yeah,
with speed. But come January, we should get some more volume in the market. So just waiting. ARK. I want to say your government so bad, but I ain't gonna do you like that because I appreciate you.
Wow, bro, what did I do, man?
Are you going to be coming out to the Traders Meetup into 2026 in Mexico?
What kind of question is that, my guy?
I just gotta ask. I gotta ask. You know what I'm saying?
Bro,
I gotta ask.
You know what? Let's start looking at billboards, bro. The I-4 I-95, man. Let's bust that shit up. We in there, man.
We don't need that. I honestly, after January 1, I'm gonna work on some like Facebook ads for the
You want to
community.
really go to Mexico? We don't go to DR, yo.
DR is cool. DR is cool, but I'm in love with my hotel in Mexico, bro. Like, just keep a whole buck. If I could live there full time, I would.
Yeah, fuck, Mexico.
It's Mexico, but that does not mean we don't have an impromptu meetup earlier in the year in the DR.
We can do a huge meetup, yo, in DR. There's a lot of traders in DR. I know
Malik.
one person to hit up, bro, and they will be flooded throughout the whole country, nigga.
Listen, I'm going to Canada next month. Gotta visit some of the members of Legacy that live in Canada.
Hey, what's his name again? The dude in Canada.
Brett and Johan, they live in Canada. So I'm going up there to visit. Let them know this is real. This ain't just online, baby. I pull up.
Yeah.
I'm that type of person.
You gotta represent, man. You know how it is, business. You go in person, shake hands.
You know, don't worry. I'm gonna come over your area too. We're gonna link.
Let's do it, brother.
We're gonna grab us a steak.
Getting ready, man. 2026 is that year, man. It's gonna be
100%. 100%. All right, this market, it's here, but it's not. You know what I'm saying? It's nice and slow. I'll be getting off at 11:30 here because the market literally has been doing absolutely nothing. We have crept up here, but it's slow. We're right here at this pivot point. This is one of those times when you set a stop loss and take profit and walk away. It's either you're going to win or you're going to lose, but you're not going to sit and watch it. Let's see. Tonight, Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time. We're going to be vibing up, talking about trading, laughing, and talking about everything in between trading and life. So come out, come hang out with us. It'll be a different vibe. The Traders Hangout, it's less serious. It's more joking because we're not in the market. These morning sessions, we're dialed in. We want to make them money. So come hang out tonight. Ay, Dios mío. All right, are we going to start pushing here? Let's serious, but we've been dodging Diddy and doodling. Listen, we're far from Diddy's house right now. Far from Diddy's house. And we're getting a random pop-up here. Gotta love it. Let's see. Well, just made a new high. Check that out. Look at that. Am I going to be able to take a long here?
A shalong?
A shalong. Getting ready to take a shalong. If you know, you know.
I don't know about that one.
I'm trying to scalp, but need some momentum here. Come on, Betsy. Come on, girl. You can do it. Show me this money, honey.
Oh, you know I'm in them buys, brother. You know.
Ark is a forever bull.
Oh, shit.
I should have stayed. I should have stayed.
Get a bull, man.
I should have stayed, but hey, threw some money in this account as well. Not the biggest day, not the smallest day I've ever had either. But green is green, boys. Green is green. I'm just trying to get to January. That's it. Let's see. Are we getting ready to build another flag here? I know Mr. Ark, he wants to go 26,000. He's been waiting for that number for a minute.
I'm telling you, man. 26, brother. 26. We get there, then I'll start telling you about the other three.
Malachi, for definitely post it. Everyone in the community, post your wins, post your losses in the community discussion, so we can all circle around and rejoice with you and uplift all at the same time if it was a bad day. Legacy Wealth Society is the only place where everyone wants to see each other truly win. That's in the markets and in life. Just saying. Let's go January when we got some much better volume. Rahan, my bad. I did not see that chat come in. It got pushed down from other chats. I trade with Tradeify and Take Profit Trader, getting ready to add Lucid as well. Man, this man says something light today. You know what I'm saying? Something light. A quick 2K day for him. Listen, making 2K with the markets not really moving, more props to you, bro. I'm so locked into my rules where I could have taken more trades, but no reason to. No reason to. I know come January we'll have a whole lot more volatility. So then that's when I'll add some more money to the account, the big monies. But till then, just trying to get to January. That's it. I'm trying to survive. That's it right now. So January we can thrive. Get out of here, SG. We know you're not new, bro. You're not playing me, sir. You're day one. You are not new. Never disrespect yourself like that, okay?
Smooth that with this retracement.
So should I go short? Is that what you're saying? Go short? Full port?
I ain't seeing that.
Hold my sparkling water.
Full margin, full margin. Call the broker, be like, yo, I need more leverage. I need more leverage. I believe in this trade.
Hopefully your broker will be like, no, you're good. You're good. Don't do it.
Nah, my brokers, they love me. They love me, man. I'm pretty sure I'm getting a book.
Oh, you have to be. With how much you're producing, have to be.
Yo, I'm telling you, Nas gonna go set that 26. We're gonna get that rejection, of course, at 26, but
I don't see it's going maybe 26 during FOMC.
nah. She's been holding this floor for a while now.
That it has, but during FOMC, anything's possible.
No, that's what I'm thinking. If anything, we can go to 26 and by FOMC, do like a nice, you know what I'm saying, bearish sell down, liquidate real quick, come back, grab all, you know, buyers, whatever, sellers, and then fly back up above 26.
Yeah, possibly.
'Cause I feel like, honestly, the way the tech is going, we are advancing technological wise. We are not in an AI bubble.
Yeah.
Want to label it like that so retail can panic, but real investors, hardcore investors, they know that we are not in an AI bubble. Like, everything is going tech. So why not keep it? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like, there's so much electronic good news for Nasdaq that it's like, where's the bearish news?
True.
Well, we're gonna have this.
I'm sure we're gonna push after January 1st.
Smart home real estate be big next year. Robo taxis is gonna be a common thing now in the streets, but
Not the robo taxis.
yeah, man, dude, listen. What Elon Musk has released that have been gotten denied?
Nothing.
Public consumption.
Nothing. But it's like robo taxi. I feel like so many more people are gonna get in accidents.
Bro, it's already. The thing about it is, the certain selected cities that's already, like, you know what I'm saying, dealing with it. So
yeah.
Building the data. So they're gonna be prepared when the time
People
comes
get-
to deal with massive.
People are getting soft, man. They can't drive their own damn car.
Malachi, I know I'm probably not going to take any more trades.
They're gonna say it's the humans. We gotta get the humans out the road.
Well, I know up here in Orlando, in certain areas, they do have like some little robot taxis as well.
Yeah, man.
Because me and my family, we jumped in one just to try it out. You know what I'm saying? We have to get in that. It's a little shuttle from different areas around Crane's Roost.
So I don't know, man. I feel like there's enough good news for the tech all around.
Yeah.
And now they're already selling in home robots for like 20, 30K.
Trust me, once those robots are fully dialed in, I'm not trying to be a beta person trying to test it out. Once they work out all the kinks on the actual robots, I'm gonna have 2 of them.
Yeah, I'm trying to get one myself in the next month or 2.
It's gonna be folding the laundry.
I'm gonna try to teach him how to trade.
Like,
I'm like, yo, sit in these charts for me, man.
No, I'm gonna have 2 robots standing behind me, and I'm gonna train them. If
One
you
is
see
a
me
seller,
going full
one is a
tilt,
buyer.
pull me off the charts.
Oh man, that's gonna be crazy. Watch. There's a lot of people that's gonna be a new thing.
Malachi, have a good night, sir. Have a good night. Get your rest.
Come on.
Probably gonna come down to that pivot. Couple more minutes. I'm gonna be jumping off here. Gotta jump off this train today. The train's moving too slow for me. I need speed. Without speed, it's not as enjoyable for me.
Nah, man. Sometimes you just gotta groove with the market, brother. Just groove with it, man.
And I've been grooving with it today. Have a good one, Dylan. I've been grooving with it. I made a couple $100 today. But once we get that real volume back in the markets, that's when I'm gonna be able to clean up. But when it's low volume, base hits only.
But I'm just right now for my swing play positions. I just want to see how we pass the day, so I can make sure we good. And it's gonna be a set and forget.
Yep.
To next year.
Hey, make that some money. Make that some money, sir. Alrighty, well, we're slowly trying to come down here. Possibly. No momentum. Well, Legacy, well, YouTube, your boy's going to be jumping off here. It's been a pleasure, like always. Appreciate all you guys jumping in here to trade and make money with me today. Tonight, we got the Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time. We're going to be talking about trading. We're going to be looking at charts. And we're just going to be simply vibing. No trades, just great conversation. So make sure, if you're able to, tune back in later this evening for that. And for everyone else, have a safe rest of your day in the markets. Don't go crazy. It's low volume right now. And be blessed, everyone.
And be blessed and stop jumping around.
Steve, LJ, Moose, G, Art.
You got a groove with the market.
Have a good one, gentlemen. Have a good one. Be blessed.
Goodbye, everybody.
Mitch, see you tonight, brother.
Good night, my brother.
You as well, Dre. Mitch, go ahead. Quick question. Ask quick. Ask quick. What's your question, sir? You should have full access. So right now you should be able to see. Let me pull it up here. Yeah, so right now you should be able to see the community discussion, the vault, discount codes, the welcome page, and the LWS home. That's the feed that I post on, like the motivational stuff, everything like that. Well, so in the community, so if you're trying to chat with everyone, that's the community discussion. If you're trying to see the motivational stuff that I post each day, some type of content, that's the LWS home. And then in there as well, you have the live trading also. So that's how you can get on the actual Zoom calls. Later this week, we'll probably have a training, but I got to figure out what we're going to be training on this week. So I'll keep you guys apprised to that and updated as well. Well, everyone, have a great one. I will see you guys later this evening for the Traders Hangout. Be blessed. Legacy in the chat. Love y'all. Stay safe in the markets, boys.